Hello and welcome to Southport Honda, part of the Cox Motor Group. My name's Phil. I'm here to show you this really nice Type R. Finished in the polished metal. It's got to be one of the best colours really, hasn't it? I've shown it just as the light's going off, just to show you what the lights do look like. Got the most important, that big R badge at the front there. Big bonnet scoop. So you do have the radar down there, so even though it's a hardcore racer, you also have your adaptive cruise control. Wheels in really nice condition. It is a used car, but I'm hard pressed to see many faults on it, if I'm honest. I'm sure there must be some. It is a used car. This car was thoroughly checked and will come with a 12-month warranty and a 12-month AA roadside assistance. Just look at those lights. With 3 exhausts on the back and that red stripe going above it. Honeycomb on the back as well. That huge wing. No mistaking what this car is. If you want a more detailed video showing you all the features of this car, please give us a ring on 01704 500 501. Either myself, Phil, or one of my colleagues will be able to give you some assistance and answer any questions you may have. Let's have a quick look at the inside as well. So this car does have the illumination pack, you can see there, so the footwell is bathed in red. It's very R-line in. It does have the illumination as well, so the door sills are lit up. It's really cool. If you pop it into race mode, everything glows red. You see this car has done just 42,240 miles. Excellent service history. As it will come with a 12-month warranty. If you've got any questions, please give us a ring again, 01704 500 501. Thank you.